Hi, Reggae Ellis from Mountainwatch. Well, the run of fine sunny weather finally came to an end overnight. We had showers this morning below 1,800 metres and some snow above that. Not a lot in it, only about 5 centimetres, and it did move through pretty quickly for a partly cloudy afternoon. However, we are going to be in the midst of this northwesterly airflow across the weekend, and we've got a bit of a mixed bag happening this weekend with strong northwest winds again tomorrow. A few showers at times, might be a bit of snow around the peaks above 1,800 metres. Will also be a bit of sunshine. On Sunday, a similar day, although winds will be much stronger, possibly blowing a gale at times, and we should see once again a mix of everything, sunshine, cloud, and the occasional shower, especially on the Victorian side. We could see snow down to about 1,700 metres, but once again, not much in it. The extended forecast, well, northwesterlies will continue to blow again on Monday. A little bit milder this week, so the snowmakers only have marginal conditions for snowmaking. We should see them fire up the guns on the lower slopes, and then another cold front might deliver a small amount of snow early Tuesday morning. But in the extended forecast, well, the Grasshopper thinks the next chance of snow is late next Friday or early Saturday, and he'll have an update on that on his forecast on Monday. This has been Reggae Ellis for Mountainwatch.